Continents and oceans. Learning objectives. Understand the difference between a globe and a map. Know the seven continents of the world. Define different landforms like mountains, hills, valleys, plateaus, plains, deserts, coasts, and islands. Understand that oceans are large bodies of salt water and there are five of them. Differentiate between oceans and seas. Today, you're going to learn about continents and oceans. There are seven continents on the earth: Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, and Australia. There are five oceans on our planet: the Atlantic Ocean, the Pacific Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Southern Ocean, and the Arctic Ocean. Now, which is the largest continent on the earth? Can you tell, children? Very good. Globes and maps. The earth is a huge heavenly object in the solar system. We use a small three-dimensional model of the earth to study it. We call that model a globe. A globe can spin like the earth and help us to learn about land and water. But globes are not easy to carry. A map is a drawing of the earth on paper. Maps are easy to carry. Continents. Look at the map. It shows the seven parts of the land in the world. The large land masses on the earth are called continents. There are seven continents. Their names are Asia, Africa, Australia, North America, South America, Europe, Antarctica. Asia is the biggest continent and Australia is the smallest continent. Landforms. Different kinds of land are called landforms. Mountains, hills, valleys, plateaus, plains, and deserts are the different landforms on the earth. Mountains are the tallest landforms. When many mountains are together, we call it a range. Hills are smaller than mountains. Valleys are low areas between hills or mountains. Plateaus are large, flat lands on top. Plains are flat areas of land. Coasts are land near the sea or ocean. Deserts are dry lands with little water and few plants. You can see the picture, children. This is a glacier, it's a volcano, it's a mountain range, this is a plateau, this is a canyon, basin, desert, river, lake, valley, delta, inlet, strait, island, archipelago, and a peninsula. An island is surrounded by water. A group of islands in the sea is called an archipelago. A peninsula is land surrounded by water but connected to land on one side. Oceans. Large bodies of salty water are called oceans. There are five oceans, namely the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Arctic Ocean, and the Antarctic Ocean. Bodies of water, small in size, are called the seas. Do you know? In 1961, astronauts viewed the Earth from the space for the first time. Mind map. Continents and oceans. Studying Earth. You can study through a globe, rotates on its axis, helps to study land and water areas. And a map, drawing on paper, easy to carry. Continents. There are seven: Asia, which is the largest, Africa, Australia, which is the smallest, North America, South America, Europe, Antarctica. Landforms, mountains, which are the highest areas, hills, lower than the mountains, valleys, low land between hills and mountains, plateaus, flat on top, plains, flat areas, coast, near sea or ocean, desert, dry, little water, few plants, island, surrounded by water, peninsula, joined to land on one side. And the oceans, Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Antarctic Ocean. At a glance, the Earth is a big object in space. We use a small 3D model called a globe to study it. A map is a drawing of Earth on paper. It is easy to carry. Earth has 7 big parts of land called continents. They are named Asia, Africa, Australia, North America, South America, Europe, and Antarctica. Different forms of land are called landforms. They are named mountains, hills, valleys, deserts, etc. An island is land with water all around, and a peninsula is land almost surrounded by water. Large bodies of salty water are called oceans. There are 5 oceans. Bodies, water small in size, are called the seas.